Hello my loves, welcome back. It's such a beautiful sunny day outside. Definitely good vibes going on right now, so I thought I can take the advantage of that and pick up my camera and finally do my desk makeover. So this is how my desk area looks like right now. Very minimal. I mean, I like simple stuff. I don't like complex things. It just distracts me right away from working and being productive. So this is the way I like. As you can see, I have a mini vision board, pen holder, like candle, and some aesthetic decor stuff going on. By the way, I definitely like the vibe that I have right now, but I just feel like I need a change of environment. In my drawers, I put like very necessary things like my daily journal and my pens, like lighter and a few gear stuff, because your girl is a content creator and there is more tech stuff down here. So if you watched my previous room tour video, you already know that I keep all my extra decor items here in case I want to use them. So I will go through these. This is my inspiration resource, so I'll check out these. I want to go for a vibe like this, but definitely not complicated like this one, like more in a simple style and not colorful, not that colorful like this. So we will see how it goes. You know, things are gonna get serious if the hair goes up. So I guess the first step is gonna be emptying everything that's in my desk, and then we can start with this aesthetic makeover. I will start by putting big items first, like it could be placing my MacBook, and I also have a very pretty bouquet of flowers that my friend just gave me a few days ago. So I will decide the vase and everything. That's gonna be another big item. And if I will put a picture card or something like that onto wall, I will also put that, and all the small things will fall into place. This is the current situation of my flowers. As you can see, most of them there are just dry, dying, but my plan is that, I mean, highly possible I'll use these. Unfortunately, I don't know their name, but they just look so delicate. I need to decide which ways that I'm gonna use. I know this will mess up my desk, but there is nothing I can do at this point. So let's arrange these beauties. So as you can see, I separated them, and these are the pieces that I cannot use, so these are gonna go to trash. Also we have these. I think it just looks nice. These flowers like literally stole my heart. I will 100% will go with these ones. I think I made my final decision. These are gonna go into this ways, and we're gonna place it in the corner. This is how my flowers and my vase is looking like, and these flowers can be the most delicate thing on earth because I wanted to make them look as spacious as possible by like separating them from each other, but every time I touch them, their like flowers drop. Next step is gonna be arranging my wall. I definitely don't want it to be empty because I had it like that before and it's just looking so, I want my desk area to have a character. First, I'm gonna place my MacBook here with my Mac stand, and then according to that, I will try to decide what we're gonna have on the wall. In this box, I have many memorial stuff, postcards, cards that I can use. Your girl is finally done. It took me a few hours to finalize everything, but I'm just so happy like how it turned out, and it definitely ended up how I wanted it to be, but more cozy than I ever thought. So I'm just so happy about that. Now let's do the desk tour. Okay, so this is how like the space is looking like right now. It just like it seems so inviting in my opinion. So let's start off with the pictures. This is actually a paper bag of a bakery, and this one is the pocket of a postcard that I purchased back in Rome, and this one is, this actually came with my journal, and this is a postcard from Vienna that my friend sent it over to me, and this is actually a ticket to Cacamo Castle. I hope I'm right. Cacamo Castle back in Palermo. I just wanted to put some of my memories, so it's gonna have some sort of value. And moving on like this, as you can see, I have my laptop and Mac stand as usual, and these are just like decor stuff. These two beige boxes that you see, they're empty. They're just an aesthetic decor. And this is, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it, but let's say this is one of my journals. And the black one is my everyday journal. I thought that it's gonna be easy to, you know, pick it up and like write down my to-do list and everything. And the other one is my 5-minute journal, and this one is just another one that I may use time to time. Moving on to this side, you'll see, I don't know how to call this one, I think phone holder, I don't know. And I just decided to keep the same, like my pen holder, all the pens that I use. Here you'll see my chair and my blanket. Oh my god, it is so soft. So the thing is that my room can be a bit like cold time to time, especially in the evening or night. So I was in need of something like this, and I'm just happy that I found something that will go with the vibe. My drawers have such a minimal organization, especially the second one. I moved all the gear stuff from the first drawer to second drawer, so when you open it, you'll see all my gear stuff. In the first one, right now I only have my pencil case, and this is the notebook that I use to study English, and this is the one that I use for everyday journaling, planning, and all that stuff. So back there you see my lighter, and that is all, like almost empty, but I just love it. Right now everything blends perfectly and looking aesthetic, and yeah, what can I ask for more? Please let me know if you like this desk makeover video, and don't forget to check out my room tour video if you are looking for some home decor inspiration. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.